Personalized CRISPR is no longer sci-fi. It just saved a baby's life. We're talking real-time gene editing, custom designed for one patient, built from scratch in just 6 months.
Everything started when a baby boy named KJ was born with CPS1 deficiency, a rare, often deadly metabolic disease that turns protein into poison.
CPS1 mutations disrupt the urea cycle, the metabolic pathway by which the liver eliminates toxic ammonia when processing proteins. When the urea cycle doesn't work, the ammonia levels build up fast, reaching lethal levels even in 2 or 3 days.
For this reason, half of the babies with CPS1 deficiency die in the first year of life.
A team including doctors at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia and scientists at Penn, UC Berkeley, Innovative Genomics Institute, and Harvard got all together to build a one-of-a-kind gene therapy just for KJ. And it worked.
But how did they do this? First, the team studied KJ's DNA and found a single point mutation called Q35X in his CPS1 gene, and they immediately started designing a base editor to fix it.
To fix KJ's mutation, they decided to use an adenine-based editing approach to flip that wrong A in his genome to a G, correcting the mutation without cutting the DNA. However, KJ's mutation was not close to an accessible PAM.
But guess what helped them to choose the best editor? Indeed, they used PAMLA, the AI-based CRISPR design tool, which we featured in our last video.
Using PAMLA, they could identify a Cas9 variant that would recognize an NGC PAM close to KJ's mutation, allowing the base editor to do its job. And in KJ's honor, they named the selected guide KJ Guren. Isn't that cool?
To test that this base editor worked, the team managed to develop a cell line in a mouse model with KJ's exact mutation. And they did it in just 3 months, a record time.
The results in mice were really promising, showing up to 42% editing of the liver. So the team received the FDA's approval to treat KJ at just 7 months old.
To deliver the base editor to KJ's liver, the team used lipid nanoparticles infused directly into his bloodstream. These nanoparticles contain the KJ Guren guide RNA and the base editor's mRNA, and boom, CRISPR by IV.
KJ got 2 doses of the base editor a few weeks apart, and the results were stunning. KJ's toxic ammonia levels went down significantly, which meant the doctors were able to safely increase his protein intake without risking dangerous metabolic crashes, which could be fatal before.
They could even halve his meds, and he gained weight, hit normal development milestones, stayed neurologically stable. That's gene editing with life-saving impact.
This incredible success shows us that precision CRISPR treatments can be developed quickly and effectively. No more waiting for drug companies with decade-long pipelines. Just code, test, treat, all in under 6 months.
And the best part is this wasn't a one-off miracle. This is a blueprint of how CRISPR-based editing can now be customized for any patient in real time. It is massive, proving that with the right tools, personalized therapies aren't just possible, they are here.
We are sure that this is only the first of many more personalized therapies to come in the near future. We here at With the CRISPR will follow this topic closely and be ready to tell you all about it.